Welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa with Up and Our Way. We bring you Vegas videos and live streams all over Las Vegas. So thanks for being here. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. So today we're at Flamingo. We're going to show you all around the hotel, give you a tour, show you restaurants. Everything you need to know about Flamingo will be in this video. So first let's start with the hotel itself. There are 3,400 rooms, 3,460 to be exact. And this hotel was built in 1946. So it's been here a long time, but it's been through several renovations. We're staying here now. We have a nice room. It's been recently renovated. We will take you on a tour in a little bit. All right, so first of all, you gotta check into the hotel. So you can see behind me, there's a long line. This is pretty typical anytime we've been to the Flamingo. But one thing that you need to know is that you are going to likely have to check in through a kiosk. It's really hard to get to a person here. They have some people floating around that might be able to check you in, but things like the $20 trick may not work as well when you just have to check in at the kiosk. All right, so let's have a look at some of the restaurants here at the hotel. So Flamingo has a few options for restaurants. We're outside of the food court, and here you're going to find Johnny Rockets, LA Subs, there's a pizza place, Pan Asian. So you do have some fast options like that. There's also Bugsy and Myers, which is a steakhouse that we ate at. Carlos and Charlie's, which is a Mexican restaurant. Margaritaville, which is a cool hip place that's a bar, but it's also a restaurant and it's super cool. Let's take a look at some of those restaurants while we're here.
Lobster beef. I'm really excited to try this. This is good. I should just order like a ton of this instead of anything else. All right, I'll catch you on the entree side. Our food is here. I have my lovely little filet mignon. 8 ounces. Perfect though for me. I won't eat much more than that. These are our mashed potato puree and Enrique's prime rib. Medium, second. Now Enrique is digging into his prime rib.
You got a prime rib medium.
Is it good? Nice.
Carlos and Charlie's. We haven't been here in years, and the reason why is because we didn't like it the first time. But we're staying at Flamingo. We thought, well, we should give it a try. That way we can let you know for sure or not you should stay away. So just ordered. We'll dig into the food soon. All right, the food is here. I got some chicken tacos. want to try one to let you know if they taste any good. See if it's worth the price. They're alright. So, you know when you're ordering Mexican rice, they'll have the carrots and peas cooked in. I swear, I kid you not, they just threw peas on top of it. You can tell they're not cooked in. When I taste them, they don't taste like they've been cooked. So our final thoughts on Carlos and Charlie's. It was just okay. I was a little grossed out by the chicken and the tacos, although the guacamole was good. The beans tasted authentic but needed more flavor, and the tortillas on the tacos were fine, but it was quite disappointing. We're at Margaritaville. We wanted to get breakfast, but they were a bit busy, so we couldn't get into lunch. But I'm having coffee because it's 11 a.m. and I need to have my coffee. So I ordered a seafood combo, Enrique ordered a chicken sandwich. We got a key lime pie. We're gonna try this all yummy stuff out. All right, our food has arrived. So I got the seafood platter. So what this has, it has fish and chips. So got my fish, french fries. There's coconut shrimp and fried shrimp. So I'm just gonna try a little bite of this. There's some different sauces. I know it's tartar sauce and some mango sauce. Ooh, it's falling out. And that's the mango or Thai chili. Good. It's a little spicy. Coconut shrimp are really good. Why don't we show them what you ordered? You got a chicken sandwich, fried chicken sandwich, no tomatoes, with onion rings. Ooh, and look at that big pimple wedge. Looks so good. We'll report back in a little bit. Let you know how it all came out. Oh my gosh, this was so much food, but it was so good. I really just wanted to try it, so I still have some left over. The fish was really good. The batter was delicious. It was really well cooked. Love, love, love the coconut shrimp. The fried shrimp were just okay, nothing special. And then Enrique has his chicken sandwich, which he enjoyed, and he ate the majority of it. And we still have a key lime pie coming, so I hope we can at least eat the majority of it, because I'm pretty full already. Alright, so even though I am pigged out on food, we wanted to try the key lime pie. So we ordered one of these. I'm going to take a little bite of it. Get a little whipped cream. That's some good stuff. Thumbs up for the key lime pie.
There's also a little coffee stand right next to the lobby. And of course, you can't forget all the bars. You're going to find bars everywhere you go, both inside and outside. There are no shortage of bars. There are several little stores throughout Flamingo. A lot of these type of wine and spirit stores, though, are going to run you a pretty penny, so you may just want to hit up a CVS or a Walgreens. Starting in the bathroom, there's nothing really special about this bathroom. It was clean, there's enough counter space, shower pressure was decent, you have your hair dryer. All of the shampoo, conditioner, body wash are actually stationary, so you don't get the little bottles, but it's just a pump. And that's the same with the lotion that is by the sink. Okay, so let's talk about the bedroom itself. These rooms are not very big. They're only about 350 square feet, but it was a comfortable room. This is one of the updated rooms, so I can't really speak on some of the other rooms that haven't been updated, but I thought they did a good job in decorating them. They really stuck to the Flamingo theme with some of the decorations, the paintings. Even the back of these chairs are in this sort of flamingo pink color. Super cute. So there's a lot to be said for the decor in here. In this little area is where you're going to find your safe and an empty fridge.
Something that I really like about Flamingo is location. It's very centrally located. So when you walk out of the Flamingo, you go to the right, you're at the Link Promenade, and there's the Link and Harrah's. You go to the left, you're gonna hit Cromwell, Bally's, Paris, and then right across the street is Caesars. There is Bellagio on the other side of Caesars, and on the opposite side is Mirage. So you are really located in the center of the strip. So it's a really good location. There's also a monorail in the back of Flamingo, so if you do want to get further down the strip, you can always take the monorail. So Flamingo was the place to be back in the olden days when Vegas was just coming up. And there were a lot of performers that came to the Flamingo to perform, such as Martin and Lewis, Sammy Davis Jr., Lena Horne. There were several artists that would come here to the Flamingo to perform. This was the place to be. When you go out to the back of the hotel, you're going to come across the gardens that have, wait for it, flamingos. They really do have flamingos on display. Not all of the time. It just really dependent on the weather and other circumstances. But there are other little animals and koi fish, so you can really enjoy nature a little bit while you're out in the middle of Vegas.
Someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see in your eyes. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
Off of that garden area is where you're going to find the pools. So first there's the beach club. This is the family-friendly area, so you do not need to be of a specific age to enjoy this area. At this time when we visited, this whole section was closed off because they didn't have enough lifeguards. There's also a bar and grill, so you can grab some snacks and some drinks while you are hitting the pool. Now, if you are up for more adventure and you're an adult, you can go to the Go Pool. So here's a pro tip: if you are Diamond or 7 Stars member, make sure that you use your card so that you get to the front of the line. Otherwise, you're going to have to most likely wait in a long line to go through security. So once you have gone through security, they're going to check your bags, you can get in, but look at all these people. So this was on a Sunday, not even one of the busiest days of the week, but there were a lot of people out here at this pool. You do have to be 21 to get in. It's really hard to find a seat. You can pay for a day bed or a cabana, but obviously that's going to cost you a lot of money. On a Saturday, you can expect to pay about $1,600 for a cabana, plus $600 in food and beverage, and for a day bed, about $275, also with the food and beverage minimum.
So I know at the beginning of this video, I talked a little bit about the history as far as when it was built. So again, this hotel was built in 1946. And Bugsy Siegel, the notorious mobster, was part of the team that built the Flamingo. And then after he died in 1947, another group took it over. It became the Fabulous Flamingo. And then eventually the Hilton bought it, and it was known as the Flamingo Hilton up until 2000, when the Harrah's company, now Caesar, bought it out.
But now there is word on the streets that Caesars is looking to sell the Flamingo, and guess who's looking to buy it? Hilton of all companies. So it's possible that this could become the Flamingo Hilton again. We'll have to see. The casino here at Flamingo is pretty decent. There are 72,000 square feet of gaming space here, which is a pretty good size for the size of the hotel that Flamingo is. So like in comparison, Caesar's Palace, which I consider like massive, I think has about 124,000 square feet of gaming area. So 72,000 is not bad. You're gonna find all of the slots that you might wanna play. They have all the table games, the bubble craps, the blackjack machines, all the fun things that you wanna do for gaming. You're gonna find it here at Flamingo. It's a good size, but manageable at the same time. All right, we're here at the box office. So there are currently 4 standing shows. You have Wayne Newton, who you can kind of see plastered around here. He has a show, I cannot believe he's still in Vegas. They have the X Burlesque show, the RuPaul's Drag Queen show, and then Piff the Magic Dragon. So you'll see those shows here, and then there'll be other artists that will come in at times as well. So that'll mix it up sometimes, but these are the 4 current standing shows. Well, that's all we have for you. I hope you enjoyed this tour and got some valuable information. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, consider doing so. Hit that like button and we'll see you next time.